So this is a quick lesson about le verbe venir, les origines, le passé récent, all that all together. So here's le verbe venir. This is the conjugation of this irregular verb. Pay attention to the pronunciation. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, on vient. As you can see, all three of them have the same pronunciation, but different writing. Nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent. So do not pronounce the final letters. So we use the verb venir to talk about the near past, le passé récent. So you know in English you say just plus the verb in the past. For example, I just ate, I just sent boring emails, we just studied. In French, to do so, we're going to use the verb venir plus de plus infinitive. Je viens de manger. I conjugate the verb venir in the present tense. I add de and I add the infinitive. When I see this formula, I know in English I'm going to use the just ate. Envoyer des emails ennuyants. Je viens d'envoyer des emails ennuyants. Nous venons d'étudier notre examen. We just studied our exam. Elles viennent de parler avec leurs copines. They just spoke to their friends. Alors, manger des carottes, we need to negate, remember, it's ne, after subject, pas after conjugated verb. Je ne viens pas de manger de carottes. Do not put it around ER verb. That's a non-conjugated verb, okay? So that's for the near future. I'm sorry, the near past. Les prépositions de géographie. So, the countries in French, they're going to be either masculine or feminine. All of the countries in the world. The only way for you to memorize them is you take a look at the end. If there isn't the letter E at the end, that means the country is feminine. La France is feminine. L'Espagne is feminine. Italy is feminine. La Syrie is feminine. If there is no E at the end, it's masculine. For example, le Danemark, le Liban, le Japon, what else? And you have also some plural countries like United States, les États-Unis, les Philippines, les Seychelles, that would be a plural. Of course, we have two exceptions. The first, they are very easy exception because you know it. Le Mexique, it ends with an E, but it's masculine, and le Cambodge, it ends with an E and it's masculine. These are the two countries that you need to know. So let me show you in this nicely done chart how to do that. So if you are in this country, or if you're gonna go to this country, or if you live in this country, you want to use a preposition, the to or in, okay? I am in France. I go to France. I live in France. To do so, if it's a feminine country, you're going to use a preposition en. Je suis en France. Je vais en Italie. If it's a masculine country, you make sure to use a preposition au. Je suis au Japon. Je vais au Mexique. If it's plural, you're going to use a preposition au with an X. Same pronunciation, by the way. Je suis aux États-Unis. I'm making the liaison. Je vais aux Philippines. Please do not say aux or aux. If it's a city, any city, je vais à Paris, je suis à Walnut, je vais à Pomona, je suis à Los Angeles, okay? Ensuite, if you're coming from, you want to say the preposition from. If it's a feminine country, you're going to use de. Je viens de France, or je viens d'Italie. Make sure to drop the E when it's in front of a vowel. Je viens d'Espagne. Je viens d'Égypte. If it's a masculine country, du. Je viens du Japon. Je viens du Mexique. Je viens du Cambodge. Je viens du Liban. Okay? So make sure to make that difference between du and de. Make sure to practice that. Du, de. Du, de. If it's plural, je viens des États-Unis. Again, now we're doing the liaison. Je viens des Philippines. I'm not pronouncing the S, but when there is a vowel, you make the linking. Je viens des États-Unis. Je viens des Philippines. Je viens des Seychelles. If you're coming from a city, de. Je viens de Pomona. Je viens d'Inglewood. Je viens de Los Angeles. Je viens de New York, etc. Okay, so here you have a list of those countries, the most, let's say, popular country. You're not going to have all of them. And that would be it for this lesson. So here you have a bunch of practice. Make sure to practice. Some of them are drop-down menu. Some of them are going to be filling the blank. It's going to be a very good practice for your presentation. And you can also play with Kahoot on this one. And that would be it. Again, if you have any question, make sure to come and see me during my office hours. Merci.